Fashion is clothes, but it's also hair. When you look through history, hairstyles have changed from all sorts of things to what they are now, and they will continue to do so. That's just a reflection of people wanting to express themselves, to be individual and to look their best. My uncle Vincent and my father Anton, they decided to open their first salon. The results they got from their own chemistry was incredible, and eventually hairdressers from around Sydney and around the country were saying, can we get some of that? It's made by hairdressers for hairdressers. That concept is what we've carried through to our business today.
When we make a product, we benchmark it against the best in the field, and we try to make it as good, if not better. It is important to us at De Lorenzo that we are vegan certified and cruelty-free. The natural-based products, we believe, gives a better result than the alternate chemical-based solutions. It's not only good for us, it's good for the rest of the planet.
We made the decision that we want our products to be plant-based, and we want to remove all signs of animal products and have nothing to do with animal testing.
Every product we bring to market must answer the 4 natural balances for healthy hair: moisture retention, oil protection, acid balanced, and protein. When the hairdresser approaches a head of hair, they have a whole host of products that can deliver an optimum result.
Our staff are the backbone of our company. We're so proud that we can employ Australians and manufacture world-class quality products.
We're Australian owned, certainly we're locally made. We have no reason to change our paradigm.
Australian made to me means that we can give people who deal with us confidence that we've got the people, the technology, the industriousness and the capability of being the best in the world, and that's what we want to do. We value Australian made, and all Australians should have a preference for Australian made, whatever the product is.
The feeling you get when you've had a salon experience, when you walk down the street, it's hard to put in words. De Lorenzo products empower people to feel their best.
We want to form relationships with our clients. We want hairdressers to reach their potential. If they're doing that, then we're being successful too.